So this is how you build a vehicle. Pieces shown, this is what you need. 4 connectors, 4 wheels, 2 axles. One's going to be the small one. The other one can be one of the ones with the larger diameter or a small diameter. 2 long pieces, 2 crossbars. One needs to have a screw in it, and then 4 pegs. The first thing you're going to do is assemble the wheels onto the axle. So I'm going to take an axle and a wheel. There's a cut groove in the hub of the wheel, and I'm going to slide the tab right in. And then the wheel on the other side, slide that tab in also. And then I will do the same thing with the other axle. So now the axles are assembled. I'm going to set those aside. Now we need to assemble the body. I'm going to take 2 of the connectors and the other 2 connectors so that they are facing each other. And then the long pieces, and I'm going to slide the long pieces into the bottom. And then your crossbars will slide across as such. And you have the pieces of the body basically assembled, but you need to keep them together. And so the holes, you're going to slide a wood peg down into each one of the holes. And that will hold the body together. Now I'm going to take my axles and I'm going to slide them into the groove on the end here. And then likewise on the other end. And now you have a vehicle. So if you want to propel the vehicle, take one of your elastic substances, I'm going to wrap it around the nail, and then on the opposite axle there's a little tab that sticks out to the side. I'm going to loop it around that tab, and then I'm going to begin to turn it some. Turn it as much as you want, and then when you release it, it will unturn and it will propel the vehicle to move. You can, through this, then explore the different elastic substances that you use and what lengths you use. You can also change the length of the body by pulling out the pegs and putting in other long pieces. You can change the diameter of the axles, and you can change the diameters of the wheels. As you explore these, think about the concepts of rotational inertia, torque, and angular and linear displacement. Ponder physics.